Power of learning cycle. The concept of learning cycles in life generally refers to the continuous process of gaining knowledge, skills, and insights through various experiences and reflections. Life is full of opportunities for learning, and individuals often go through cycles of acquiring new information, applying it in different situations, reflecting on the outcomes. Life is filled with cycles of learning and growth, and individuals often go through various experiences that contribute to their personal development. From the moment we enter the world, we embark on a journey of discovery and growth. Life itself becomes a dynamic classroom, offering lessons in resilience, adaptation, and self-discovery. It involves learning from mistakes, celebrating successes, and embracing the inevitable changes that come our way. Experience. We face new situations, challenges, or opportunities that provide a context for learning. In our life, from early childhood through adulthood, individuals go through formal education systems, progressing through different stages such as elementary, middle school, high school, and higher education. We have learned many things in our school and college life. When we actively engage in tasks or projects, we gain practical experience that reinforces theoretical knowledge. We always learn something new by doing each work, task, or whatever the projects. And when it comes to a job, each job or role presents new challenges, responsibilities, and opportunities to learn. From entry-level positions to leadership roles, individuals gather valuable experiences. Continuous learning on the job, attending workshops, and acquiring new skills contribute to professional growth. And also, we can get promotion at our workplace by executing new projects. We might change the companies for professional growth, but in every company, every day, and every project, we learn so many things that we cannot recognize consciously. But the important thing is to learn from every good and bad experience. If you are facing or had any bad experience, don't feel bad, don't get demotivated, because in each and every experience we learn something, so be grateful for what you have learned from experiences. Love and companionship bring their own set of challenges, fostering personal development and self-awareness. In this also you can learn about people management. From childhood to old age, we all have experienced changes in health, prompting learning about self-care, nutrition, and overall well-being. Navigating stress, anxiety, and overcoming mental health challenges can be a transformative journey of self-discovery and coping strategies. In this, we can understand that we learned something about how to take care of our health positively. Reflection. After experiencing something, individuals reflect on the events, their actions, and the outcomes. This reflection allows for a deeper understanding of the experience. Reflection is a powerful tool for learning and personal growth in life. It involves a deliberate and thoughtful examination of one's experiences, actions, and beliefs. Through reflection, individuals gain a deeper understanding of themselves, their values, and the world around them. It allows for the identification of strengths and areas for improvement, fostering continuous development. Life's challenges and successes become valuable lessons when viewed through the lens of reflection, helping individuals make more informed decisions and navigate future situations with greater insight. Reflective learning instills a sense of mindfulness, encouraging individuals to be present in their experiences and to learn from both positive and negative outcomes. It is a continuous process that promotes self-awareness, critical thinking, and the capacity to adapt and grow in the face of life's ever-changing dynamics. Application. Application-based learning is a fundamental aspect of acquiring skills and knowledge that are not only retained, but also readily applicable in real-life situations. Whether in academic disciplines, professional settings, or personal growth, The ability to apply learned principles fosters a deeper and more meaningful comprehension. One of the most prominent examples is the rise of online education platforms. These platforms offer a plethora of courses covering a wide range of subjects, allowing learners to acquire new skills and knowledge from the comfort of their homes. The accessibility and flexibility provided by digital learning platforms empower individuals to pursue education at their own pace and convenience. Educational apps and software have made learning more interactive and engaging, catering to various learning styles. Yes, in today's world, we have so many applications and softwares to learn from anywhere. So, we have a great opportunity to learn the best things nowadays. This is not only for students, also for employees and everyone. For students, we can consider educational applications. For employees, there is so much software to learn professional courses, and there are so many self-development applications for everyone who can make use of it. Yes, in each and every opportunity, challenges, or any experience, we learn something. Learning is not always a comfortable process. It involves facing uncertainties, making mistakes, and embracing the discomfort of the unfamiliar. The setbacks we encounter become valuable lessons, guiding us towards growth and self-discovery. One of the most beautiful aspects of learning is its limitless nature. There is no age restriction, no expiration date on acquiring new knowledge. It is a lifelong commitment that enriches our lives, allowing us to adapt to the ever-evolving world around us. We gain insights not only from books and classrooms, but also from the diverse tapestry of human experiences. Every person we encounter, every conversation we engage in, offers an opportunity to broaden our perspectives and deepen our understanding of the world. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. Each new piece of information opens doors to uncharted territories, inspiring us to continue our exploration with a sense of wonder. Embrace the gift of learning as a lifelong companion on our journey through life. May our minds remain ever curious, our hearts open to new experiences, and our spirits resilient in the face of challenges. Hope you all understand about learning cycles. Thank you so much for watching. Never stop learning.